Hello guys, as we all know, IDBI Bank has released 600 vacancies for the post of Junior Assistant Manager and Agri Assist Officer. So, Banking Dreams powered by Knowledgist has started a new series of classes for banking and financial awareness. And friends, if you are willing to join our dedicated batch for JAM and AAO, then the link is being provided in the description box. So, do like, share and subscribe our channel.
So yes, very first question of the day is talking about what is it asking? It is asking in June 2024, RBI launched an exclusive 2-hour window, which is called FinQuery for fintechs to visit the fintech department of the RBI in Mumbai, Maharashtra, right? So the window will be available on the last working dash of every month from 3 to 5 p.m. See, this question is quite obvious and quite easy at the same time. The reason is it is providing all the information by its own only. It is telling us we are talking about the June month of 2024. First point. Secondly, what has been done? RBI has launched a new, like a more exclusive 2-hour window. What is the name of it? It is being called as Swing Query. See, this was a particular window which was being launched by RBI regarding the fintechs, the financial technology companies, so that they can visit up the fintech department of RBI, which is basically in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So it is now quite easy for the fintech companies, for the owner of fintech companies to reach out the fintech department if they are having any query, any problem or any consolidation they do need. So the question is simply asking us the day, okay, the day when this window would be available on the last working day of every month. The timing is of 3 to 5 p.m. So whether it is Monday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday or option 5, that is Friday. So this time the correct answer is going to be option 4, that is Wednesday. So RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, it has launched an exclusive 2-hour window. The name is FinQuery and rest is history because we already have covered it out. Okay, so now it comes to the point, what is the basic aim? Everything happens because of certain reason, right? So this time the initiative, this whole initiative is aiming to provide a platform for the fintechs so that they can seek clarity and discuss fintech related queries directly with the RBI officials. These officials would be definitely from the fintech department of Reserve Bank of India. This will foster better communication and understanding between RBI and all the fintech companies. And this window was launched on 26th June 2024 and it is going to be available on the last working Wednesday, WW, last working Wednesday of every month from 3 to 5 p.m. That's it about this question. I hope no one is having any kind of query regarding it. Hello, Sandeep. Next question is talking about which insurance company has recently in June 2024 launched the Bridge the Gap campaign to educate the public about the role of life insurance. So what has been done? An insurance company has launched Bridge the Gap. What is Bridge the Gap? It is a campaign which has been started or has been launched to educate the public about the role of life insurance. So is it Future Generali, India Life Insurance Company, HDFC Life Insurance Company, LIC, that's Life Insurance Corporation of India, option 4, that is SBI, General Insurance Company, or option 5, Max Life Insurance Company? What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5? Anyone is having any idea? Sandeep, what should it be, dear? Okay, so yes, good. This time the correct option would be option 2. That is HDFC Life Insurance Company, which means on the sidelines of National Insurance Awareness Day, which is on 28th June. So what does we came to know? We came to know that National Insurance Awareness Day is being celebrated on 28th of June 2024. Okay. So on this particular day, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, what has it done? It has introduced the Bridge the Gap campaign to educate the public about the role of life insurance. Simple, and everything is being done because of certain aim. So this particular initiative is aiming to clarify the benefits of life insurance and also to inform the public about its further importance. Sandeep, you are absolutely correct. So apart from it, what has been done? This is important. HDFC Life has partnered with ET Now. And what is ET Now? It is an English language business and finance news channel in India. And what are they going to do together? They are going to produce a series of informative chat shows which will feature discussions with HDFC Life leaders and their partners. What would be there? It would cover various aspects of financial planning, like life insurance would be there, protection, child plans, retirement options, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So yes, now coming up with the next question, which is asking, in June 2024, the World Bank approved dash for second low carbon energy programmatic development policy operation to accelerate the development of low carbon energy in India. What is it asking? Question is talking about the June month of 2024 when World Bank has approved certain amount, okay, for the second low carbon energy programmatic development policy operation. Okay, and this amount is going to be used to accelerate out the development of low carbon energy in India. So what is that particular amount? Is it USD 2.6 billion? USD 1.5 billion, USD 9.8 billion, USD 3.1 billion, or option 5, that is USD 6.2 billion. What should it be? Any ideas? Okay, giving you 5 seconds. Think about it. What should it be? What should be the exact amount? See, whenever there is certain amount which is being asked in any of the questions, then please go through such questions properly, or like twice or thrice before going with the correct option. Because whenever there is digit, the chances of getting confused and going up with the wrong one, it just gets increased. So yeah, Sandeep is saying maybe it is 1.5 billion. This time, yes, of course, it is option 2. That is the correct one. USD 1.5 billion. So yes, on June 29, 2024, World Bank approved USD 1.5 billion for the second low carbon energy programmatic development policy operation. We all know it is going to help India to accelerate the development of low carbon energy. And friends, it is the second in a series of 2 similar sized operations, which mainly focuses on enhancing market capabilities for green hydrogen, scaling up renewable energy capacity, and stimulating investment in low carbon energy sectors. So this was all about this thing. What was the main purpose of this whole new initiative? And apart from it, it will support reforms which are going to be aiming at increasing green hydrogen production, including development of electrolyzers, which are essential for hydrogen production. And this whole initiative has been intended under the battery energy storage systems, and also it is going to work under India's electricity grid through amendments to the IEGC. What is IEGC? It is Indian Electricity Grid Code, right? Now, coming up with the next question, which is asking, in June 2024, SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, raised the threshold of the basic service demat account, which is BSDA, from rupees 2 lakh to how much? Is it rupees 5 lakh, rupees 8 lakh, rupees 3 lakh, rupees 6 lakh, or rupees 10 lakh? How? Anyone? Question is simply asking. The decision maker this time, that is SEBI, it has raised the threshold of BSDAs. Okay. The existing limit was of 2 lakh and now they have raised up to how much? How much is the new amount? Anyone? Anyone? Okay. Giving you few seconds. Go through it. See friends, if we talk about BSDA particularly, then we all know it states for Basic Service Demat Account. Okay. And these are the type of demat accounts that was introduced by SEBI to encourage small investors to participate in the capital market. To encourage the small investors to participate in capital markets. Right? This was the whole work of BSDA. See, if you are any Indian citizen, then you can open a BSDA account, and its primary purpose, we all know, it is to encourage a small investor to enter the market and trade or undergo any kind of investment. So this time the limit has increased, which is now being increased up to rupees 10 lakhs. So this time the correct option is going to be 5. And for the very first time, SEBI did introduce this special type of demat account in 2012, in the year 2012. So yes, if we go further, then we would come to know that on 28th June 2028, till this date, SEBI has raised the threshold of basic service demat account from existing limit of rupees 2 lakh to rupees 10 lakh. Okay, and it is aiming to encourage small investors to participate in the stock market and promote their financial access. See, if anyone is investing up to like 50,000 rupees, then they are going to provide a nil amount. No kind of account declaration amount is going to be taken from them. But yeah, if you are going up to like 10 lakh or something, so you will have to pay 100 rupees, that is INR 100, on a yearly basis. And if we go through the SEBI circular, then the updated regulations have come under effect from 1st of September 2024. Clear? Next question is asking, in June 2024, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, it has revised the eligibility criteria for entry and exit of stocks in the dash segment of exchanges. Is it equities, derivatives, currencies, commodities, or option 5, that is assets? What is it? SEBI has revised the eligibility criteria for the entry and exit of stocks. In which segment of exchanges? Anyone? Dear Sandeep, it is 2024, dear. Okay, so anyone is having any idea? What should it be, Sandeep? Have 5 seconds, go through the question, the options. It is simply asking the segment of exchanges which have now been revised. Is it equities, derivatives, currencies, commodities, or assets? What is it exactly? Yeah. So yes, this time the correct option is option 2, that is derivatives. So on 28th June 2024, SEBI has revised the eligibility criteria for the entry and exit of stocks in the derivative segment of exchanges. Okay. So if we go through these new rules, then the eligibility criteria for exit will be applicable to only those stocks that have been in the derivative segment for minimum 6 months, which means if this thing is going to be eligible, if we go through the new rules, then these stocks, whosoever is under minimum time period of 6 months, okay, in the derivative segment, they are going to be provided under this criteria for exit. Okay, but otherwise, if we talk about this new rule, then it is telling us that the existing stock in the derivative segment will be based on their performance, and they will have to be applicable like for 3 months after the date of issuance of this circular. Apart from it, this is important. SEBI has also introduced PSF, that is Product Success Framework, in single stock futures and options, that is F&O segment. And what about this framework? This framework will become applicable after 6 months from the date of issuance of this new circular or of this new rules. Next question is talking about which bank has recently signed an agreement to provide financial support of over rupees 850 crore for urban infrastructure projects in Mumbai with MMRDA. What is it? It is Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority. Okay. So we have to tell the name of the bank that has recently signed an agreement. The agreement is going to be signed. The reason is to provide financial support of over rupees 850 crore. Right? Is it Asian Development Bank, World Bank, KfW Bank, Japan International Cooperation Agency, or option 5, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Yeah, good. So this time the correct option would be option 3, that is KFW Bank. So MMRDA, that is Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, it has signed an agreement with the Frankfurt-based German state-owned development bank, that is KFW Bank in Rupee. Okay, and this is to provide financial support of rupees 850 crore for the urban infrastructure projects in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Coming up with next question, which is asking, which bank has recently launched a new facility for online collection of direct taxes for its customer? So is it Bandhan Bank, HDFC Bank, Bank of Baroda, RBL Bank, or option 5, that is Yes Bank? We just have to tell the name of the bank that has launched a completely new facility. Okay, it has doing these things also now online. What is it? It is the online collection of direct taxes through its customers. So is it option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Have 5 seconds with this question. Go through it. It is an important one. Okay. So what should it be? What should be the correct option this time? Okay. So yes, this is option 1, that is Bandhan Bank, which means if we talk about 28th of June 2024, then Bandhan Bank launched a facility for online collection of direct taxes. What will it do? It will enable its customers and others to pay taxes seamlessly across India. Okay. And apart from it, this service is available through internet banking, payment gateway, cash, check, or demand draft, that is DD. And this also accepts offline payments of direct taxes through its 1700 branches, which means basically, although these things are going to be done on an online manner, but yeah, it doesn't mean that the offline collection of the offline payment of direct taxes, it has been declined or so. No, it is also going to be accepted through its 1700 branches. Next question is asking, which company has recently signed an agreement with Adani Defense and Aerospace to manufacture 70 rockets in India? Is it Starburst Accelerator, Loitering Aerial Munitions, Ikran Aerospace and Technologies, Munitions India Limited, or option 5, that is Thales Group? What is it? What is the name of that company that has recently signed an agreement with whom? With the Adani Defense and Aerospace. And it is obviously done due to certain objectives. And here the aim is to manufacture 70 rockets in India. What is it, Sandeep? Having any idea, dear? What should it be? Should it be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Okay, so yes, this time the correct option would be 5. That is Thales Group, which means Adani Defense and Aerospace, which is the defense arm of the Adani Group. What has it done? It has signed an agreement with the Thales Group. What is it? It is a French multinational company and it is being done to manufacture 70 rockets in India. What will it do? What is the... No issues, Sandeep. So what will it do? It will definitely support the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat vision for India's defense industry as well. And what is the use of these 70 rockets? These are a crucial component of India's indigenous attack helicopters. First is Rudra and second is Prachand, which were being developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And apart from it, they offer precision strike capabilities at ranges varying from 1.5 meters to 7 kilometers. So yes, from here we came to know 4 things. First is the name, that is Adani Defense and Aerospace, which is the defense arm of Adani Group. Okay, what have they done? They have signed agreement with Thales Group. What will they make? They will make 70 rockets in India. It will support Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat vision for the India's defense industry as well. And what is the use of these 70 rockets? These are a crucial component of India's indigenous attack helicopters like Rudra and Prachand. These are being developed by HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So that's all about this question. Next question is asking, Which bank has recently launched its new Unia Premier branches for high-value customers in the RUSU markets? What is it? It is the rural and semi-urban markets. It is Karnataka Bank Limited, Union Bank of India, Federal Bank, India Post Payments Bank, or option 5. That is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Anyone? What should it be? It is simply asking the name of the bank that has recently launched its new Union Premier branches for the high value customers in the RUSU markets, that is the rural and semi-urban markets. Is it Karnataka, Union, Federal, India Post, or option 5, that is Lakshmi Vilas? Okay, Sandeep is saying it is Union Bank of India. So this time the correct option, dear, it is option 2. You are correct. That is Union Bank of India. So Union Bank of India, what is it? It is one of the largest government-owned banks of India, of course, and it has launched its new Union Premier branches designed for Union Bank's high-value customers in the RUSU markets, that is the rural and semi-urban markets, at an event in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Apart from it, these branches provide personalized banking services, offering a wide range of products and services under one roof. For the high-value RUSU customers, see, it will also be providing dedicated personal relationship manager for each Union Premier customer for all banking needs. And customers will enjoy quick services with minimal turnaround time. Okay, so that is all which is new, which is something new regarding this Union Premier branches of Union Bank of India. Okay, being provided for the customers from rural and semi-urban markets. Next question is asking, which bank has recently joined Project Nexus, an international initiative that aims to facilitate instant cross-border retail payments by linking domestic fast payment system, that is FPS, through a unified platform? Is it National Housing Bank, Reserve Bank of India, NABARD, Small Industries Development Bank of India, or Exim Bank? Question is simple. It is asking the name of the bank that has joined Project Nexus. What is Project Nexus? It is an international initiative which is aiming to facilitate instant cross-border retail payments. Okay, so what is it? Whether it is option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Have 5 seconds. This is damn important question. Mark my words. So go through the questions, go through the option properly, and then we will be reconnecting within the next 5 seconds. Think about it. What should it be? Okay, so this time the correct option is option 2, that is Reserve Bank of India. So yes, if we talk about July 1, 2024, then RBI has joined Project Nexus, and it is a multilateral international initiative aiming to facilitate instant cross-border retail payments by interlinking domestic fast payment systems through a unified platform. Okay? Okay. ये method अच्छा है. Thank you, Sandeep. So, what is new about this Project Nexus? What is it? It is conceptualized by the Innovation Hub of Basel, which is Switzerland-based bank for international settlements, and it will streamline and standardize the connection between domestic instant payment system, that is IPS worldwide. And of course, apart from it, this is important. It is the first BIS project. What is it? It is the Project Nexus they are talking about. It is the very first BIS project. BIS stands for the Bank for International Settlements project, which in payments going to move towards live implementation. Okay, so that is all about what do we mean by Project Nexus. See, it is conceptualized by Innovation Hub of Bank. We all know about it. And what does it provide? It aims to enable instant cross-border payments. What do it do? It connects multiple domestic instant payment systems globally. Clear? So yes, apart from it, this is now important. It is aiming to connect the FPS of Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and India as the founding members and the first mover countries of the platform. This is important. What will it do? It will reconnect the FPS of these many countries. And an agreement of the same was designed by the BIS and the central banks of the founding countries via the Bank Negara Malaysia, Bank of Thailand, Bangko Central, NG Filipinas, Monetary Authority of Singapore and the RBI on June 30, 2024 in Basel, Switzerland. This is damn important. Apart from it, this platform is expected to go live by 2026 with the potential for further future expansions if needed. That's all about this question. Coming up with the next question, which is asking, which bank has recently launched MSME Sahaj? What is it? It is a web-based digital business loan solution for the micro, small and medium enterprises invoice financing. So is it Yes Bank, HDFC Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, or option 5, that is Bank of India? What should it be? It is simply asking the name of the bank that has launched MSME Sahaj. Okay, and what is this MSME Sahaj? It is a web-based digital business MSME invoice financing. Anyone? Giving you 5 seconds. Think about it. See, if we talk about what do we mean by invoice financing particularly, then it is a short-term loan. What is it? It is a short-term loan that a business can take out against the amount owed on its invoices. What is it? It is a short-term loan that a business can take out against the amount owed on its invoices. This is what we mean by invoices financing. That is the reason it is also called as receivables financing, or this is definitely, this process improves cash flow. It pays employees and suppliers on a, like, funds are easy to pay to their employers and suppliers, and it provides investment in the further growth. So this is all about invoice financing. What is it? It is a credit facility that allows a business to borrow money using high value unpaid invoices as their collateral, right? So yes, now the name that is the correct one this time, it is option 4, that is State Bank of India, which means State Bank of India, which is India's largest public sector bank. Okay, it has launched MSME Sahaj web-based digital business loan solution for MSME invoice financing. Yes, very good, Sandeep. It is being used for TRED software, and the objective is to offer on-tap short-term credit to meet the capital needs of MSME units who are part of goods and service tax regime. And apart from it, this is important, using MSME Sahaj, SBI customers can avail finance or loan against their GST registered sales invoices of up to rupees 1 lakh. Clear it is? So friends, now that's all for today's session. We will be meeting tomorrow with further questions as time has come to an end now. So till then, study properly, work smartly, and if you are having any kind of query, you can definitely connect with us on a direct basis. The comment section is 24/7 available for you guys. And apart from it, you can check out the description box. Why? Because the link for the crash course regarding the preparation of Union Bank of India's local bank officers exam is being provided there. You can go through this crash course, and of course, you are going to attain golden colors there as well. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Signing off. Pragya this side. Would be meeting as soon as possible.